Welcome back again to our channel. In the world of finance, numerous options exist for investors seeking reliable income streams. However, the challenge lies not only in finding funds that deliver strong yields but also in understanding their underlying mechanics and associated risks. Today, we will delve into each of the three ETFs, OMAH, SPYI, and QQQI, to provide you with a comprehensive overview. We'll navigate through how these funds operate, explore their investment strategies, and examine their potential impact on your financial goals. Let's initiate our journey with the first ETF, OMAH, and discover what sets it apart in the income investment landscape. OMAH focuses on high dividend opportunities in specific sectors, balancing growth and yield to meet investor needs. Its strategic allocations aim to capture income while minimizing volatility, offering a reliable option. By investing in OMAH, you not only enhance your income potential but also gain diversification across sectors, ensuring a more resilient portfolio in ever-changing market conditions. Ultimately, this comprehensive examination of OMAH, along with SPYI and QQQI, empowers you with choices that align with your investment aspirations. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Dividend yields, distributions, and fund strategies can change at any time. Always do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional before making investment decisions. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. How monthly dividend ETFs work. Monthly dividend exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer a compelling investment strategy for those seeking regular income. By selling call options on their underlying assets, these ETFs generate premiums, providing shareholders with reliable and predictable cash flow every month. This income is especially appealing to retirees, as it simplifies budgeting. While monthly dividend ETFs provide consistent income and enhance financial planning for shareholders, investors should remain aware of the limitations that come with option selling, including capped gains and fluctuations in income. Balancing these factors can guide successful long-term investment decisions. ETF number 1, OMAH, the aggressive income machine. In a market filled with uncertainties, OMAH stands out as a beacon for yield-first investors seeking to enhance their cash flow. This high-income, actively managed ETF employs an aggressive options selling strategy, aiming not only for maximized monthly returns but also for substantial premium capture. It's particularly appealing to those focused on building a cash flow-oriented portfolio. However, potential investors should be mindful of the accompanying risks, especially regarding volatility and potential NAV drawdowns. OMAH serves as an excellent choice for income-focused retirees and investors looking for supplemental strategies, providing substantial monthly cash flow. However, it is essential to weigh its risks against the benefits to ensure alignment with individual investment goals. ETF number 2, SPYI, the Balanced Income Core. ETF number 2, SPYI, offers a unique appeal as it not only tracks the S&P 500 but does so with a thoughtful income overlay that enriches investor returns. It harnesses tax-efficient options strategies to enhance its performance, ensuring that investors can reap benefits without unnecessary tax burdens. With monthly distributions, SPYI caters to those longing for regular income while maintaining a focus on long-term growth potential. This balanced approach is what makes SPYI a favorite among both seasoned and new investors alike. Strongly appealing to investors, SPYI strikes a harmonious balance between income generation and capital appreciation. SPYI stands out as a versatile ETF for those seeking the dual benefits of steady income and stable growth. Its thoughtful design makes it an ideal core holding for retirement portfolios, appealing to long-term investors looking for a reliable income source in their financial strategy. ETF number 3, QQQI, Tech-Powered Monthly Income. ETF number 3, QQQI, is defined as an income-generating investment that leverages exposure to the Nasdaq 100. With a significant allocation to technology stocks, this ETF aims to provide investors with monthly distributions derived from options trading. Its unique feature lies in the blend of growth and income, making it particularly attractive for those looking for technological advancement alongside cash flow. By investing in notable companies such as Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, QQQI offers a potent combination of innovation and returns, perfectly catering to dynamic investment strategies. QQQI represents a compelling choice for investors seeking a blend of income and growth in the tech sector. With its focus on high-potential companies and monthly distributions, it aligns well with the needs of younger retirees and those looking to enrich their income portfolios through innovation-based investments. OMAH versus SPYI versus QQQI, full comparison. The comparison of OMAH, SPYI, and QQQI reveals significant differences. OMAH stands out with a very high yield focus but carries high volatility. SPYI offers a balanced approach with moderate yield and lower volatility. Meanwhile, QQQI prioritizes growth income, showcasing a higher growth potential. Choosing between OMAH, SPYI, and QQQI depends on individual financial goals, whether one seeks high income, stability, or growth, reflecting their distinct roles in an investment portfolio. Each option presents unique characteristics to align with diverse investment strategies. How to use these ETFs together. To effectively blend stability, growth income, and maximum cash flow, the sample income portfolio comprises 40% in SPYI for stability, 30% in QQQI for growth income, and 30% in OMAH for maximum cash flow. By strategically employing this composition, investors can confidently navigate their accumulation phase while positioning themselves to enjoy the benefits of income withdrawal in the later stages, thus balancing their financial goals with market dynamics effectively. In conclusion, choosing the right ETFs depends on your individual financial goals and income needs. Whether you prioritize immediate income with OMAH, build a solid foundation with SPYI, or aim for tech growth with QQQI, there are various options available. By strategically combining these ETFs, you can tailor a monthly income solution that fits your unique situation. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of dividend and ETF investing. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Your journey towards savvy investing doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. Explore the world of ETFs further, and empower your financial future with knowledge and strategy. Until we meet again, stay informed and make wise investment choices. Happy investing!